All right, here on Market Pulse, United Capital is taking the spotlight on the show. We've seen significant appreciation in share price this month. Share price has increased by 31% as of trading day ending today from its closing price, which from the month of July, end of the month of July. The financial service institutions Q2 performance is also out, and they saw total revenue increase by 37.52% year over year for the period ending June 30th, 2024, from 11 billion naira in 2022 to 15 billion naira Q2 this year. Total expenses, however, climbed by 16% year on year compared to 2023. And the company still recorded pre-tax profit of 9 billion for the period ending June 30th, 2024. Earnings per share also climbed to 2 naira 58 kobo from 1 naira 56 kobo reported the previous year. So to make sense of the data is David Olujimi. Thank you for joining me.
Yeah, thank you very much, Joanna.
All right, briefly, because of time, talk us through the performance of United Capital, the ticker is UCAP, over the past couple of weeks, especially considering the seeming price fluctuations. What are your thoughts on this?
So basically, UCAP did a share price reconstruction on the 1st of August, where their share price moved from 33 naira to 11 naira.
Right.
And since that share price reconstruction, UCAP in August has gained about 61%, being one of the top gaining stocks on the NGX in August, despite all the bearish movements in the NGX in the overall market. UCAP has been one of the shining lights. And all of this is traceable to investors' confidence in the stock.
Yeah.
Plus,
so for a clear understanding, right? What do you mean price reconstruction of the shares?
So they did a bonus share issuance. They did a bonus share issuance on which took place on the 1st of August, such that two additional shares for every one share held. So essentially, the price had to. When such share price reconstruction happened, when bonus share issuances happen, there needs to be a reconstruction of the share price so that it can reflect the actual market cap of the company. Okay. That is what happens when a bonus share issuance is done.
Okay.
So for United, okay.
Go ahead. Let me let you land in a minute, please.
So for United Capital, the fact that they paid interim dividends for the first time in 2024. This year, for the first time ever, it is a pointer to investors that this is a good stock to invest in. It is a pointer to the fact that we are going to be seeing renewed or increased dividend yield at the end of the year. So I'm seeing that investors are looking at the stocks and are trying to position themselves properly. Plus, also this stock is appreciating fast. I'm projecting that by the end of the month, we'll be seeing a lot of sell pressures on the stock because people are going to definitely want to take profits.
I was going to get there, and this is the final question before I let you go. I mean, looking at the larger trend and in the long term, do you see some sort of market correction or price correction ahead? And is this rally something that can be sustained in the long term?
So basically, the rally I would not say the rally may not be sustained, but one thing is that we will not. It's not like a correction, but we'll see profit taking. Just like what we see with Toando right now. We cannot call what we see with Toando a share price correction because Toando is still up. Then tomorrow you will see investors take profit. It goes down to 39 naira. Next tomorrow it goes up to 42 or 43 naira again. So this is the kind of circle we'll be seeing with United Capital going forward.
At 17 naira, would you say it's overvalued?
The analysts say, yeah, I won't say it's overvalued because they have potentials. Looking at their earnings per share, they have potentials to do even more. So at an earnings per share of about, they had an earnings per share of 2.58 naira.
Right.
That is, if you take the price to earnings ratio, we are talking a price to earnings ratio of almost, this is about 10%. Sorry, this is about 12 times.
Okay. So you wouldn't say it's overpriced?
It's not. I wouldn't say it's overpriced. Yes,
all right.
It's not overpriced.
Okay.
Look of things.
All right, that answers it, right? Thank you so much, David Olujimi, for joining me and providing more insights on the data on United Capital. Very quickly, up next, we're heading to the African markets. Just to put it to you, it's a mixed performance. Well, it's a positive performance actually across board, across the African markets that we cover. And I mean, there goes our show today.